أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أبي القاسم محمد وآله الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين أما بعد فقد قال الله تعالى في قرآن المجيد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي صلوات. In the name of Almighty Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful, the Commander of the Faithful, Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam, salawat. Mawla Ali said to Imam Al-Hasan that the heart of a youth resembles an empty land, completely empty land. It receives all that is thrown into it. This is why I have started to teach you good manners, before your heart is hardened and your soul is preoccupied. So, better teach your children good manners. Really, Quran is a blessing, and we can improve our communication skills even by fasato balagat of Quran. And in that respect, I can confidently tell you that you are a winner if during this holy month you develop one good habit, or you can have control over one bad habit, or you train your children whose mind is empty, that they may develop good habits day by day. And one good habit can be to be always with ablution wudu. May Almighty Allah increase the level of Shaheed Aga Sultani, the teacher of my son Muhammad Ali Kayuri. As I was sitting with him, with the Maulana, and requested him for some advice. Aga Shaheed Sultani said that the day of judgment, that the day of accounting is sorry case for believers as well as for non-believers. I said, okay, it is understandable that day of judgment will be sorry for non-believers, but how for believers? So Aga Sultani replied that the believers will also be sorry that, alas, I would have come with this good deed, with this noble deed, with recitation of Holy Quran, with namaz sab. Small, even he say the believers will be sorry that, alas, I would have been wudu always. So 24 hours you can create in your children and yourself the habit of being in wudu always. Because when you are in wudu, your mind is cool-minded and you are inclined toward du'as and Quran. And even the wudu also you can make it a quality upon quality. When you look at the water, remember Karbala. Assalamu alayka ya Aba Abdullah. When you take the water and you put in your nose, pray to Almighty Allah. All du'as are with the day of judgment. That on the day of judgment, Almighty Allah do not keep me away from the perfume of paradise. And you wash your face. Pray to Almighty Allah that, oh Almighty Allah, keep my face shining and illuminating on the day of judgment when the people's faces will be dark. When you put your water on the right hand, pray to Almighty Allah that, oh Almighty Allah, give my deed of action in my right hand. I mean to say, while doing wudu, you speak somewhat loudly. Your children will listen to you and they will also do like like this. When you put the water in the left hand, pray to Almighty Allah that, oh Almighty Allah, do not give my deed of action on my left hand. And when you do the masha, pray Almighty Allah that, oh Almighty Allah, because the head cover everything, pray that, oh Almighty Allah, cover me in bounties and blessings and rahmat and ni'mat. And then when you put your hands for the masa of legs, pray to Almighty Allah that on the day of judgment, when people will be slipping from the bridge of Sirat, give power in my leg that I may cross the bridge of Sirat with Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein. So with this, your wudu will be quality, and then your namaz will be a quality one, and your communication skill will be a quality one. For all this good intention, kindly recite salawat loudly. Time is passing very quickly. We are almost completing the 1/3 of holy month of Ramjan. Tomorrow is 6th Ramjan. The dua for tomorrow is, ऐ खुदा मुझको इस दिन मासियत की वजह से रुसवा न करना और मुझे अपने अजाब के ताजियाने से ना मारना, और आज के दिन मुझे अपने गुस्से के असबाब से दूर रख, अपने एहसान और नेमतों के जरिए ऐ उम्मीदवारों की आखिरी उम्मीद. Kindly recite salawat, please. With one more salawat, I request Maulana Sahab to come.